Hey guys, it's me, the Animal King, here at another Who Will Win book video. Today I'm going to read Piranha School vs. Goonch Catfish. You probably don't know what a Goonch Catfish is because it's like a very not common thing, but they are very dangerous. I'll tell you that. Their mouths are literally big enough to swallow people. Well, I just thought a Piranha School versus one Goonch Catfish, a whole school of piranhas would be a good fight. Okay, let's start. What would happen if a school of piranhas and a Goonch Catfish met each other? What if they had a fight? Who do you think would win? Meet the piranha. Guys, I'm not gonna sing scientific names. I'm just telling you that. Its scientific name is Banana Corsus. Meet the Goonch Catfish. Its scientific name is Sincere Bombs. I have no idea if I said it right. Sorry, guys. No. Wait, is this? Worldwide. This is where a piranha lives, mostly in the Amazon rainforest. Worldwide, the Goonch Catfish mostly lives in the ocean and in one river in South America. Parts of a piranha. The piranha's body has a tail, fin, eyes, body, teeth, and its mouth. Parts of a Goonch Catfish. The parts of a Goonch Catfish are its tail, eyes, mouth, and body. Size. A piranha can grow up to 5 inches, 2 centimeters long. Size. A Goonch Catfish can grow up to 15 feet, 5 meters long. Oh, I forgot to show you the picture. I drew a diagram. Piranha face. This is a picture of a piranha face. Goonch Catfish face. This is what a Goonch Catfish face looks like. Sorry, I messed up with the Goonch Catfish face. Look at it, look at it. Let me just show you up close. Yeah, it looks right. Tail. A piranha uses its tail and fins to swim. Tail. This is a picture of a Goonch Catfish tail. Speed. A piranha can swim up to 6.8 miles per hour, 9.2 kilometers an hour. A Goonch Catfish can show a speed of 1 mile per hour, 1.6 kilometers an hour. Look, it's a speed sign. Food. Piranhas eat smaller fish. They use their front teeth to chew their food. Goonch Catfish eat small sharks, octopuses, and sometimes even humans. Fight. Okay, I'll just read it like this so you can see. A school of piranhas meet up with a Goonch Catfish. The catfish swallows a few, but one bites it. Okay, I'll read it like this. Sorry, that wasn't working out too well. The catfish smacks the one that bit it and a few more piranhas with its tail. The catfish doesn't know that there are 2 piranhas left. It thinks it won the match. Guess what? It did win the match though. I'll show you a picture on the last page. Okay, we start. It did win the match though. The rest of the piranhas swim away. The catfish is still hurt because of the piranha that bit it, but still nothing can defeat the Goonch catfish. I'm done, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye. See you in the next video.